Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this one, we're going to just assign this RBAC role. If you're following along with the series, you know that we have already completed these two tasks under the Lab 2 module for AZ104. So let's go to the task 3, so which is down here, assign the RBAC roles. Okay, so I'm already logged into my Azure portal. And in this one, we need to go to the Azure Active Directory. So again, you search for Azure Active Directory and click on that link. It will take you to the Azure Active Directory and go to the users. Okay, and let's create a new user. So let's click the new user, and if you have done the previous section, you already know how to do that. And let's create a new user and do this and provide the name. And then over here for the password, let me create the password, and let's create a secure password here. Okay, and then what we need, also copy this username because you're going to need this in a little bit. So I'm going to copy this one, put it in my notepad and get rid of this. Okay, so we are done up to this point. Now what we need to do in another window in private mode, we're going to log in as a new user we just created. For that, I'm going to use another browser. Let's see, and this is not the browser, this is the one I want to keep. uh, Bring that down. This is a browser I'm going to use. Okay, not this. Okay, this is the one I'm going to use. So let's just do portal.azure.com, and in here I'm going to say use another account. I'm going to put the username that we have. Okay, so hit next. Let's see, it says the username may be incorrect. Okay, why is the username incorrect? We have just created that user. Let me see if the user got, oh, we have not created the user. So over here, let's make sure that you create the user, and the user got created successfully. Now, come back over here to the other place, and here in private window, I'm going to try to log in. Let's see if that helps. All right, let's just go back to portal one more time. Use another account, put that in here. Now it picked up it properly, so let's just go from here, and now I should be able to log in. Now change the password. Okay, so now I should be logged in as the new user I just created here, right? As AZ admin, as the root user, I have done this work, and now from this window, and I'm able to log in, and for now just do this keep for now this link, and you should be able to log in using that user. And as you see over here, it says AZ10402 add user 1, so that's what I have created right in here. Okay, and let me close this is we don't need anymore. Okay, so we are now done with the step 6. In private browser window in the Azure portal, search all resources to verify that AZ user cannot see any resources. So over here, what you can do, you can go to search resources. I just search all resources, and if you click on that one, you see this user, it does not see anything. Whereas if I come over here and do all resources, if I click on this one, you'll see, as because I'm the admin, and I have a lot of roles and RBAC roles that are assigned to me at a subscription level. I can see all the resources in my subscription. But for the other user here that we have created the user, we have not assigned this guy any kind of role, so he cannot see anything. So what we can do at this time, we can go to help and support. It's right here. Okay, and then we are going to click on help and support, and then we're gonna create a support request. Okay, this guy, he should have permission. Type service and subscription limit. So copy this in the summary field, so copy. So that's what we're gonna say, and select service and subscription limit quotas. Issue type, so issue type is I don't see that issue type in here, so I'm just gonna say billing for now. And it says the presence of subscription you are using in this lab in subscription drop down list indicates that the account type you're using has the permission required to create subscription specific support requests. So that's all is the goal for the lab. If you do not see the service and subscription limit quota options, sign out to the Azure portal and sign in back. So this is weird. Okay, let's come back over here. Um, Make sure that that user got the role. So where did we assign? So we missed a step here. Okay, so let's go back in here. Once we have created this user, we have not assigned this guy actually the role yet. So let's just go back in here, and from I'm still as AZLabs 1111 user. So from here I'm going to go to the Active Directory. I'm going to find that user that we have created in the previous tab, and we are going to add a role for the user. So what they're saying go to the management group and add the user. So let's go to the management group. So there are multiple ways to do this. So go to the management group, click on that one, and from management group go to the access control, and here, okay, we're gonna click on add, okay, and then role assignment, okay, and here what we'll do, we're gonna select the role support request contributor custom. So the custom role that we created, let's assign that, and then assign to who? Assign to user group is fine, and this is the AZ user. This is the one that we created. So just save, and now the role assignment should be done. Okay, so now let's just go back in our step because we had trouble and we know that our role was not there, so he was not seeing everything properly. So let's come back over here. What I'll do first, refresh and see if that helps. So I have just refreshed and go back to help, then help and support, then create a support ticket, and wait. Alright everyone, since we have fixed the issue with our role, so let's just go back, and I have re-logged in as the new user, which is AZ104. Let's see if we can create a support ticket now. So let's go back in here, and then uh, what is the question mark? This is the help, so let's go there, and let's see if that opens up quickly for us. It's taking some time. There we go. So here's the help and support icon. So let's just click on that one. Uh, so right now I have to create a support request. So let's just click on that one and briefly describe the problem. Let's come back over here and type services and subscription limits. So let's copy this one now and put it in there now. And then if you do the drop down, you see the service and subscription limits quota. So now that's available. So previously when we tried, we didn't actually assign the role, so we couldn't do that. That was not even showing up. Now, since we have assigned the role, a contributor role who can create the support ticket, now we see that option for us. Now I have only one subscription that is already chosen, and note that subscription, so this is good. So last thing, do not continue with the creating the support request, instead sign out as the user. So this is just to demonstrate. So you can go for and go with the support request if you like in a production environment, but since this is just a lab, Microsoft is saying, hey, this lab is saying, hey, don't continue with the ticket, stop this one because this is all you need to know. What will actually happen if you click the next solution? It will actually try to read the description you have provided, and we'll try to come up with any solution that maybe is available. And then what you need to do, you go through, provide all kinds of information in here, then you click the review and create, and that will create the support ticket. But for the lab, we are going to end our journey here. So let's go back in here, make sure what we need to do. At the end of the lab, we always clean up your resources. So let's just do that. Remember to remove any newly created Azure resources. So what we will do, we'll go to Active Directory, go to the users. So where is my Active Directory? If you can't find it in here, just search for it. And this is that user AZ104. I actually want to sign out of him and then get rid of it. Go back to my root user. From here, I'm going to go to the Active Directory, go to users, and I have created the 104 for the lab. I'm going to get rid of this. So to remove, delete this, you have to open that user actually. So deselect that one, click on the user, and here click on the delete icon and then say yes. So that user is deleted. So we are done with this. Blade this user, copy the value. Okay, they're actually running a partial script to do that. Partial script, from the partial script. So you can also, well, we have already deleted that user, so that role would automatically be deleted, hopefully. So you can go through this and get rid of the other resources, but for the lab, I think I'm just gonna stop here, and we'll see you in the next lab where we are going to start the governance and compliance, which is going to be the third part, uh, and we're going to look at Azure policy after we have done with the Azure RBAC. Okay, see you in the next lab and the next video, and have a good day.